Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. ISBLANK function checks the specified value and returns true if the cell is empty or false as an outcome. In this case, we will check if selected range contains any blank cell. You can notice formula has returned answer as false, which means the cell is not a blank cell. You can observe that cell B7 is looking blank, however formula has still returned answer as false, which represents that this cell is not empty. The reason is that B7 cell contains space, that is why formula is considering it as non-blank cell. These two cells are empty and function has returned as true. Now, if you remove the space from the cell, then formula's result will change. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.